Today's question is, do I need to stage my house to sell it? When you put your house on the market, it is no longer your home. In order to get top price for your house, you want for it to appeal to as many buyers as possible. And staging does exactly that. Staging comes in many forms. It is not just renting furniture while your house is on the market. According to the National Association of Realtors, staging can increase the sale price up to 20% on average. And in that same article, it says the average price reduction is 5 to 20% more than what staging would have cost. So if you are selling your house and would like top dollar, I highly recommend that you stage it. This has been Rochelle Ward with your Monday Market Minute, and I look forward to seeing you again next week.